Many companies offer many options, including energy-efficient shingles. Depending on the climate of your area, you might want to choose a light color. They will help reduce the heat inside your home and will reflect more sunlight than dark-colored asphalt. A darker colored shingle is best for colder regions. Shingle 1. 3 tab, or some refer to as strip shingles, get their name from 3 asphalt tabs on every shingle. Their appearance is single and flat, providing a slate look when installed on your roof, resulting in a very uniform rectangular roofing. These are lightweight since they are built with a shingle strip. Moreover, they are affordable compared to other asphalt. 2. Dimensional, also known as architectural shingles, or laminate shingles, is typically the most used for much residential roofing. They are dimensional because the tabs come in a variety of shapes and sizes. It gives a replicated slate or wood shake aesthetic to help increase the curb appeal of your home. 3. Luxury shingles, or premium shingles, are probably the highest quality type of asphalt. These materials provide premium weather protection as well as a beautiful appearance to your home. They are aesthetic, structural, and come in a huge variety of colors.